Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're taking a look at a fantastic workhorse for your business, this 2016 Chevrolet Express 3500 cargo van. This is the heavy-duty 1-ton model, so it's built tough and ready for anything. As you can see, it's the extended length 155-inch wheelbase version, meaning tons of room inside. Alright, let's hop inside and fire this big guy up. You'll see there are no warning lights on the dash. Starts right up, runs smooth, ready for the day. From the driver's seat, everything is laid out for easy access. You've got power windows, power locks, cruise control, and deluxe cloth bucket seats. Looking across the dash here, everything is clean and functional. You've even got a rear view camera and a very handy 110 volts power outlet. Right here, perfect for charging tools or laptops on the go. Now, heading into the back, you can really see the massive amount of space this extended wheelbase provides. There's plenty of room for all your equipment, tools, or whatever your business needs to haul. You've even got rear air conditioning to keep this whole back section cooler. And finally, let's take a look under the hood. Powering this van is the super reliable 4.8-liter V8 engine. It's also equipped with the heavier-duty engine and transmission cooling systems and a high-export alternator. This 2016 ChevyExpress 3500 is a fantastic find for any business looking for a powerful, spacious, and reliable work van. Give us a call or schedule your test drive online to see it right here at one of our convenient Largo, Florida locations.